Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are safe at your home. Today I am going to explain lesson 14 of your grammar book, pronoun. Read these sentences. Ravi has not come to school today. Ravi is not well. Ravi visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave Ravi medicine. Ravi feels that if Ravi takes the medicine regularly, Ravi will recover soon. Here, noun Ravi is used many times. It sounds awkward. Now read these sentences. Ravi has not come to school today. He is not well. He visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave him medicine. The noun Ravi has been replaced by he and him. He and him are pronouns. What is pronoun? Pronouns are used for और in place of noun. Pronoun जिसे हम हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं, जो शब्द संज्ञा के स्थान पे प्रयुक्त होता है उसे सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Some common pronouns are he, she, it, I, me, we. These are pronouns. We use he and him for masculine gender, and she and her for feminine gender, it for non-living things. Now I am going to explain exercise A. Underline the pronoun in the following sentence. First you read the sentence and then underline the pronoun in each sentence. Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. In this sentence, pronoun is she, which is used in place of Geeta. Now read second sentence. Reema's mother told her to rest. Here pronoun is her. Rest of the sentences you complete yourself. Now I am going to explain exercise B. Rewrite the following passage by replacing the underlined words with pronouns given in the bracket. In exercise B, some words are underlined and you replace these words with pronouns given in the bracket. Those words are she, he, him and it. She is used for singular feminine gender. He is used for singular masculine gender. Him means uska. Him is used for singular masculine gender, and it is used for non-living thing. Tommy the dog wanted to grow horns like Gauri the cow. Actually, one day Tommy ran after Gauri and Gauri. Here Gauri word is underlined and Gauri is a feminine gender. We replace Gauri with she. So in this way you all read this passage and replace the underlined word with pronouns. Okay, here one word is hairband. Hairband is also underlined and hairband is non-living thing. So we use it for hairband. Okay, now I am going to explain possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, ours, his, hers and theirs are called possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun जो ऑनरशिप को बताता है. आप इन सेंटेंसेस को रीड करो और जिससे आपको और क्लियर होगा. द बुक बिलोंग्स टू मी. बुक मेरी है. द बुक इज माइन. सो माइन शोज possessiveness. So this word is pronoun. The book belongs to you. The book is yours. The book belongs to us. The book is ours. Okay, now all of you read all these sentences and do exercise C. Okay, now I am going to explain what is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are the pronoun used in place of people, animals and things. Personal pronoun जो होते हैं वो हम people, animal और things की जगह जो यूज़ करते हैं वर्ड हम उन्हें personal pronoun कहते हैं. Okay. Pronouns have different form. First person, the speaker. जो बोल रहा होता है उसे first person कहते हैं. Second person, the person we are speaking to. हम जिससे बात कर रहे होते हैं उसे हम सेकंड पर्सन कहते हैं। एंड थर्ड पर्सन, द पर्सन अबाउट होम वी आर स्पीकिंग, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं उसे हम थर्ड पर्सन कहते हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो आई एम फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड यू आर सेकंड पर्सन। और अगर हम किसी तीसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो क्या होगा, थर्ड पर्सन। ओके, now I am going to explain exercise E. Underline the pronoun and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or person used. State whether it is in the first person, second person and third person. आपको ये sentences पढ़ने हैं और बताना है कि ये फर्स्ट पर्सन है, सेकंड है या थर्ड है। Lions are royal animals. They are called the king of the jungle. Here they is pronoun and they is थर्ड पर्सन, क्योंकि लाइन्स जो हैं हम किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लाइन्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो ये थर्ड पर्सन है। आई लाइक द केक मेड बाय मदर, सो हेयर आई वर्ड इज फर्स्ट पर्सन। ओके, नाउ सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल प्रोनाउन। जस्ट लाइक नाउन्स, प्रोनाउंस कैन बी सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल। जैसे हम नाउन हमने करा, नाउन में भी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल होता है, इसी तरह से प्रोनाउन में भी होता है। ओके, जैसे आई, मी, यू, शी, हर, ही, हिम, इट, दीज आर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस। एंड वी, अस, यू, दे, देम, दीज आर प्लूरल प्रोनाउन। जैसे कि अगर हम कहें कि चिल्ड्रंस आर प्लेइंग, सो वी, चिल्ड्रन की जगह हम क्या लगा सकते हैं, दे। ओके, we use they in place of children and they is a plural pronoun. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.